Looking for a wireless charger? I got you. Let's go. What's up, guys? My name is Mario, and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Don't forget, guys, you can still win this. All right, guys, so part 2, here we are. We're going to test out these wireless chargers. Basically, just start charging my phone with it. So let's go. Okay, we're going to be trying out the charging. And it looks like this one is got the updated chip on it. And I'm going to show you pretty much all the other colors. Yeah. Looks like the first one was just the updated chip. The rest of them have the older chip on them. But they're charging the same, up to 15 watt wireless. And then I'm going to try it out with the Apple case here. Charging no problem. And with my AirPods. Awesome. Charging no problem. If you like this product, go check them out at myhypergear.com. Currently, this product is priced out at $39.99, but if you use my coupon code MMTR25, you'll get 25% off your purchase. And guess what? They have Afterpay, so you can also make it in payments. Boom. What is there to think about? Go get yours now. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 3 for my final thoughts. Don't forget, guys, to like and follow for more.